Hi everyone, I'm Morah Keren, and today we're going to make a fuzzy caterpillar. So as we know, we're in the season of spring, right? And caterpillars only come out in the spring. So that's why we're going to make this activity. So you're going to need, you can either use green construction paper, or what I did is I used white paper and I drew leaves, and then I used scissors to cut it out. See, like I cut them out, and then what I did was I drew lines to make it look like a leaf. I used a green marker to make it look like a leaf, and I colored it in green. So once you do that, you're gonna put this down here, and I made two, so I'm gonna put two here. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a big pom-pom and you're gonna put glue on one side, and you're gonna put the one with the glue over here. Then you're gonna take little pom-poms and you're gonna make like a S shape. So you're gonna put one, make sure there's glue on the bottom. You're gonna put another one in the shape of an S. Or if you want, you could make it straight. It's up to you. So I'm gonna put two more. So you put glue and then you put it here. And one more. So I made one. Now I wanna make a purple caterpillar. So I'm gonna take a big purple pom-pom. I'm gonna do the same thing. So you're gonna put glue. You're gonna put it down. And make sure you press it a little bit so it sticks and it stays. And then you take the little pom-poms and you can do the same thing. You can make an S shape, or if you want, you could just make a straight line. It's up to you. I'm gonna make an S shape. You put it down, make sure there's glue on the bottom, and you make a shape. Make an S shape. Then we're gonna put googly eyes. So we can either use these googly eyes, or if you don't have googly eyes, you can take this white paper and you can cut out small circles and you can put a black circle inside, see, with a black marker. And you can put glue on it, and then you're gonna put it on the face. Right, you're gonna put one eye, and then you're gonna do the same with this one. The second eye, you're gonna put glue, and then you're gonna put the other eye on. And make sure it stays. And now we have a very cute caterpillar. Look. Say hi. Hi, caterpillar. And that is how we make fuzzy caterpillars. I had so much fun doing this activity with you all, and I hope you have a great, wonderful day. Bye, everyone.